Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today we're going to go over the plugins within the Matterport editor and how to use them. So I have a space here that I scanned. We're going to click on Edit and go into Workshop. Next we're going to click on Plugins. And the first one we're going to showcase is Compass. You can enable the compass and hit save, and you'll see that it shows up here on the top left. You're able to change the size of it, the style of it, and you can change the position of it where it's located on the screen. You can also find a position you like if you know that this, for example, is north, and set it as north. When you're done, hit save. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.